So you made a spider, but now it's time to add a texture to the spider. So if we click on the spider and we are in object mode, you can go down to the material tab here. Also, sorry, before we do anything further, make sure that you click on the render material option up here. It says material preview. If you don't click on this, you're not going to see any visual effect changes, because this only shows the geometry, what the spider will look like physically, but nothing to do with the appearance of material, such as colors or lights or anything like that. So change to viewport shading, show the material, and then in the materials tab here, we will add a new material. This is basically the paint that we're going to put on our spider. You'll first have your first material here, and you can choose a color just by clicking on one of these, clicking on the base color here, and change it to something else. I'm going to change it just to a dark spider, let's say something like a nearly black. But I also want the eyes to be a bright color. So I'm going to add one more material. And this material, I think I'm going to make a bright green. But of course it doesn't know that the eyes are the things that should be bright green. Right now, everything is assigned to be for material 002, as it's called, the dark material. The green one is not yet used. So to go into edit mode will let us select the pieces that we want to turn green, and in this case I just want to have the two eyes. So I'm going to click on one of the pieces of the eye, and then there's a special command. Command L is to grab all the linked pieces. Now remember, this eye is a separate ball. It is not physically connected to any of the other vertices. So Command L just selects everything that's physically connected to itself, and then I'm going to do Shift click to get one more piece on this ball, and again Command L. So now we have the two eyes selected, I have the green material selected, and I will choose Assign. Now if I leave edit mode, I go back to object mode, I can see I have a spider with green eyes.